Ms. Savi Bhardwaj. Can't hear the claps enough. Mr. Satyam Tandon. Ms. Arushi Garg. Huge round of applause, Divya Arya. Mr. Pavan Sharma. Last but not the least, Ankit Sajan. Thank you, sir. I would request Professor Grover to please join us on stage to declare the convocation closed.
I declare the convocation closed.
I'd now like to request Professor Bhatnagar to propose the vote of thanks.
Good afternoon. Hearty congratulations to all of you. Mr. Rajesh Dayar, Mr. Bindra, Mr. Neelan Joseph, Mr. Vikas Upadhyay, Mr. Gaurav Sharma, Ms. Ashima Upadhyay, Ms. Ashima Sharma, Professor Grover, Mr. Kathuria, Dr. Rama, Mr. Manish Srivastav, AGYIB third batch, and my fellow colleagues in Rasivas. A momentous occasion. Thank you each one of you from the bottom of my heart for being with us this afternoon. I would also like to place on record the appreciation and heartfelt thanks to Mr. Sanjay Singh and his team, the event management team of Axis Bank and their workers, the MIT Watch and Ward staff for making this function a grand success. They say, and I quote, perfection is not a skill, it's a compulsion. And I think this line applies to you and the entire banking fraternity today, which has appetite for perfect skills. Friends, knowledge acquisition and sharing has to continue. The mentor-mentee relationship has to be revived. And my appeal to all of you is, the batch that follows you, you must hold a hand. Guys, keep an eye on competition. Innovate, 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 or at least improve. Thank you and good luck.
May I request all of you to please stand up for the national anthem?
Sorry to interrupt, Ashman, but Dr. Atul Chauhan, who is the Chancellor of the university, I just came to know that he's here in a couple of minutes. I'm sorry to interrupt this program like this, but I think it is worth the while to listen to him. He's a very dynamic young man, and he's done a lot for education. I think I was telling Mr. Daya, he got held up inevitably because of a new university announcement that we're making at Jharkhand. So if you'll bear with us, I think he should be here in a minute. But I would say it will be worthwhile listening to him. And please welcome Dr. Atul Chauhan, Chancellor of Ahmedabad University. So Dr. Chauhan, we were waiting for you. Yes, so we were waiting for you, and we are looking forward for your words to all the ABYB bankers. Thank you.
Good afternoon to all of you. Good afternoon, sir. It's a big day in your lives, all looking absolutely smart. First of all, amazing to the Axis Bank team. Our campus and auditorium is looking so vibrant because of what you have done. My apologies for reaching right towards the end. My younger brother, his wife was expecting, then 1 o'clock yesterday night, we took her to the hospital. Sometimes babies they have their own mind. Then this morning, we were waiting when it will happen. Then I said, it's taking too long. So I called my younger brother, I said, look, see, I'm the eldest in the next generation. I said, I have to be there when your wife delivers, my sister-in-law. But then for me, these young, brilliant students who are joining Axis Bank from Amity are so important. I gave them a directive, go inside the labor room and ensure she does not deliver before I come back from campus. So, As a leader, you many times give directions to your colleagues which are impossible to meet. But then the value system, in Amity, the values are important. My younger brother, it is, if someone would have told that to me, I would have looked at them, is he mad? But he said, Bhaiya, aap chinta nahi karo, main bachcha paida nahi hoga, aap वापस आओ तभी बच्चा पैदा होगा. Because for us to have Mr. Dahiya on campus is such a great thing. And I think for each one of you, this program that Axis Bank has created is so absolutely unique, so amazing, that when you ask how many students who are joining a university or an institution are so lucky that even on the day of joining, they know that if they do well, they will get a job in a great organization like Axis. And the fact that a person of the stature of Mr. Dahiya as the executive ED, he is coming to be on the day you graduate. It shows how much care and passion Axis Bank has for each one of you. And I want you to never ever forget this. You should be motivated 100 times more for this day, that if a person like Mr. Dahiya comes, what Axis Bank means to you and what you mean to Axis Bank. So can we have a huge round of applause for Mr. Dahiya and Mr. Vikas from the HR team, and so many members of Axis Bank are here. We truly as Amity feel like one family with Axis Bank. We have so many relationships, but this is one relationship as an academic program that we truly cherish. And today I'm seeing so many young, brilliant boys and girls graduating, and I'm sure as the years pass on, we will have many, many more students graduate from this program. And to you young, brilliant Amitians and Axis, actually I think this is the first time I am talking to students graduating who are all joining one organization. It's a great privilege. Always remember, in organizations, there are thousands of people who join at the level that you are joining. But how many people become an executive director of a bank? How many people become a CMD of a bank? Just one or two? What differentiates them? What is it that has pushed them to the top? Whereas 99% of the people who joined together with them have been languishing at middle management level. It is because the management has seen, the organization has seen, that they are the ones who proactively think every day that what can I do for my organization? A normal graduate, when they join a company, they always keep thinking, what is the company doing for me? But you as Amitians, when you go into Axis Bank, every day you should think, and we have taught you that in life, human values are so important. Loyalty to your organization is so important. Every day think that even though I'm a very young person in the bank, but what can I do to make my Axis Bank a better organization? And if that is the mindset you have, if that is the attitude you have, you are the ones who will rise high. And as Amitians, this is the dream that we have for each one of you. That when we meet you after 10 years, 15 years, 20 years, you come back to us and you tell us, I have risen to this point. A lot of people have hobbies in life. People collect stamps, people collect various things. My hobby in life is collecting visiting cards of alumni. So when I started 20 years ago, I bought one small container to fill with visiting cards of alumni. Then after a few years, I told my office, please buy one Godrej Almirah, fill it with visiting cards. Then after I reached the 20th Godrej Almirah, I said, you start digitizing. Now we have tens of thousands of Amity graduates all around the world. And I feel very privileged when anywhere in the world I go, I meet people who are alumni and they give their cards that I have become CEO of this company, I have become a CMD, I am a vice president. It fills us with pride. So you are part of a great two families. You are part of the Axis family, you are part of the Amity family. This is the biggest springboard in life that you could have. You are out of the billions of people that live in our country, you are amongst a very small percentage of privileged young people. In our country, our society, our organizations are looking at you to make our country a better place. For that, our banks, our organizations, our corporate world has to do tremendously well. So that is the responsibility that each one of you has to go when you join Axis Bank. And always remember, as Mr. Dahiya is one of the great pillars of his organization, I just want to point out within Amity also, every organization, anyone you see, it is built, maybe 10% of the people who are the pillars who make an organization great. The rest are just going along with the organization. So I'm so privileged. You just heard Mr. Ashish Bindra, who is the CFO of the whole of the Amity Group. It is, if Amity has reached to a stage that we are at today, it is because we have such great people. Ashish, how many years has it been with us? 19 years. So employees like that, employee is a wrong word. We feel Ashish is a member of the Amity and the Chauhan family. If any organization has people like him or Mr. Dahiya or anyone else, there is no end to the success we can have. So Ashish, a big thank you from Amity. Can we have a round of applause for Ashish for that? We have people like Mr. Grover. Whenever you go in an organization, see what legacy you can leave behind. Mr. Grover, you have been with us now for how many years also? 16 years. One of the pillars of Amity has built the school of banking and insurance from zero, created. So one legacy is leaving even after 100 years when people will graduate with a banking degree, with an insurance degree from Amity University. We will always remember, I will not be around after 100 years, but the people then will remember there was one Mr. Grover who initiated this program. This is the legacy that he will be remembered. So try and see, can you build legacies within your organizations that when you are long gone from the organization, your bosses, your juniors remember you for the work they have done. Another legacy that Groverji has left behind, about 10, 12 years ago, he started the concept of human values. That how can we inculcate, because always Amity's motto has been, modernity blends with tradition. That however successful you become in life, always stay down to earth, always stay humble, always help society around you. And Mr. Grover made it as a simple initiative to organize Cricket Cup between insurance organization to raise funds to help the Amitasha girls, which Amity is educating free of cost. But over 10 years, it has become, and many of you may have been involved in that, it became the quarter of human values. Then last year it became the year of human values, where tens of thousands of Amity students all over the world, and as you know, you are part of a family where we have 150,000 students studying across 12 countries. That is the family you belong to. And across every campus, students were involved in helping the community, in helping society. And this year, we have taken the decision that every student who will be studying in Amity will do at least some community service. Because always remember, all of you will be, and that is my guarantee. I have seen tens of thousands of students graduate. I have heard from your teachers, from your faculty members about how brilliant you are, how well you have done. And that is why I'm able to guarantee you that for each one of you, whatever your dream is in life, whatever your aim is in life, I guarantee you, you will achieve it. And if you ever feel that you're not achieving it, your Amity